Hey guys, so today we are going to be recreating some of Ariana Grande's most iconic outfits. So, let's get into it. What the heck? So today we have 3 concept outfits of where we're going to be picking from. So, okay, get off that. Where is this? Okay, so first we have one from one of her positions, music, like her album, but the track 34 plus 35 outfit right here, as you guys can see. Next off, we have a Ntu outfit and a No Tears Left to Cry. So I guess we should start off with 34 plus 35. So let's take off this outfit here. And let's make the lighting a little better. Is that good? Yeah, I guess that's good. So she kind of has like a pretty simple outfit. Okay, I forgot the color already. It's a light pastel pink. So I think this should work. But the thing is, she has like spaghetti straps on. But I don't. So, I hope that's okay with you guys. I hope that works. She has purple gloves. Pretty good. Okay. Purple gloves. Purple. And then, I'm just gonna add heels. She technically doesn't have heels in the music video. I don't think. But I'm just adding them on to make the outfit be taller. And hair. So her hair is honestly pretty easy. Kinda. But at the same time, her hair in this video is really complicating. Because, like, she doesn't have any of her, like, normal, like, hair that she does. Like, it's, like, right here where her bun is. Like, say, this part at the top of her head, it's, like, right over her head. So it's, like, really hard to get this. So, let's see. I'm gonna find a hair for this, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay, guys, I found the perfect face, or, hair. I think that actually, okay, now we lost our picture. Okay, I think this might have to work, but I'm gonna see if I can find, like, some bangs. Because she has bangs in the music video, but this hair doesn't. So, I'm kind of looking for some. Maybe these could work. Or, like, actually, they're kind of, like, parted like this. You know what? I guess that could work. And now, her eyes are closed in this, so, let's see. There's actually a face creator that makes Ariana faces. Like, she makes even her position stuff. I don't think she has any 34 plus 35. Here, I'll search it up. 34. No? Alright then. Her eyes are closed, so maybe we could look in sleepy or something. Yes. Okay, which one looks better? Her eyes are really, like, a darker shade, so I feel like that could actually work. Guys, dude, I think this is honestly, like, perfect. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it like this, and then screenshot. Perfect, guys. I think that's a good picture for the 34 plus 35 outfit. Okay, next we have the Ntu outfit, which is pretty much a bra, shorts, and a cute shirt, which it's like jean jacket. So I actually don't know where I'm gonna find the black thing, but I think I have a pretty good idea for the shirt. I have this thing, which I could find looking blue, and there's like jean like designs on it. So I'm gonna look for those and then like try that. But except the fact that they're kind of more of a white design, and all the jean designs in here are blue designs, but it's okay. I feel like maybe you won't be able to notice. If you guys didn't know this, Ariana Grande is actually my favorite singer and like my favorite like person in the whole world. Like she is just like amazing. Okay, I think this might work. I'm gonna make these white. Oh no, not those. Okay, here. I'm gonna make the buttons. Oh my gosh. Never mind then. But I'll make this white still. So now we gotta find. This is gonna be hard. Well, it's black and like kind of blue. Like that kind of works. Ooh. Ooh. That's kind of cute though. Yeah, there's a trick. I'm just gonna color it off. And do this torso. Let's see. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. Here, try that. Guys, I am having a hard time with this. Like, this is really hard. Okay, her hair is the next part. And her eyes are also closed in this, so I think I might just use the same hair. Or, same makeup for it. Ooh, this is perfect. Okay, now brown. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Actually, I think this might work. That's everything she has on. So I kind of think this might work. Maybe we should go outside for this. Okay, here's the Ntu picture of Ariana Grande. So lastly, we only have her No Tears Left to Cry outfit, her really pretty umbrella polka dot dress, and her really cute black boots. So this one I feel like might be a little easy but also hard. I really wish I had the baby doll dress though right now. This almost works, guys. Only they were actual polka dots and not checkers. or these. Well, guys, this is exactly what we need. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is literally everything we need for this outfit. That's literally, like, that's easy. Like, why are they making it this easy for me? Nothing ever makes it this easy for me. Okay. And here's a good ponytail. And her hair is like a white tier. And so, that's pretty. Okay. And she kind of had like little bangs there. So we can look in here again. Ooh, yes. So this is the outfit for that. So let's take a screenshot somewhere in this house. Like right here. Oh wait, her makeup, I forgot about that. Her eyes are actually open this time. So I'm going to go to BBN. Perfect. I'm going to get a longer skirt. Ow. Wow, guys, I really am so happy about how these pictures turned out. So let's go to the Roblox page. Let's see. Photos. Okay, guys. So this is the picture we just took from No Tears Left to Cry. Her umbrella dress, and her black boots with her white hair. And then her Ntu photo. Honestly, it's my least favorite. This, though, honestly, I think it's my favorite because it looks closest to it. Because, like, look it has the gloves, the skirt, like, the shirt, like, almost everything that the outfit needed. This one's my least favorite because it's the least closest to the outfit that I could get. But we did try our best, so that's all that matters. This one is my second favorite because it also looks pretty close to the outfit. But except the skirt, it's like not fully umbrella-ish. It's more ruffled. And so if it wasn't ruffled and it was like just normal umbrella, like an umbrella skirt, I feel like it would have been nice. Like, I needed like the more baby doll skirt for that. If you guys know what that is, if you guys play Royal High. Anyways, guys, but that will conclude our video. For everybody here today, I am so glad that you guys watched this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, hit that like button. And also subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So you guys can be notified whenever I get a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!